Welcome back to the lecture series of linear algebra part 7. In this lecture series, we will solve the problem models based on the eigenvalues and eigenvector. So first problem model is like this. So problem model 1. So first question of the model problem 1, the eigenvalues the eigenvalues and the eigenvalues of the matrix. This is the given matrix 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 and 0 minus 3 minus 4. This is the given matrix R. So in this problem it is asking the eigenvalue of the matrix. So given option are 0 minus 1 minus 3. Option B is 0 minus 2 minus 3. Option C is 0 2 3. 0 2 3. Option D is 0 1 3. So these are the options given. And the given problem is asking, in this given problem it is asking the eigenvalue of the matrices. So from the properties of eigenvalue as an eigenvector, we know that the trace of matrix A is the sum of diagonal element. Okay, it is just the sum of diagonal element. Okay, so trace A means sum of diagonal element, or it is equal to the sum of eigenvalues. We know this property. Okay, so you just uh, write down the sum of diagonal element is equals to trace. So sum of diagonal element is how much? These are the diagonal elements. So 0 plus 0 plus minus 4, that is equals to minus 4. This is the sum of diagonal element. Now again, the property tells you that the trace of the given matrix will be equal to the sum of eigenvalues. So the sum of values will be trace of A. So the sum of eigenvalues should be equal to minus 4 according to property. So given option, in this 4 given option, whosoever having the sum minus 4, that will be the eigenvalues. So just add. So suppose I am adding these C. So it is 0 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So it is not equal to minus 4. So this option is incorrect. And it is this option D is equal to 4, which is not equal to minus 4. This option is also incorrect. So I am adding this. So 0 minus 2 minus 3 means it is equals to minus 5, which is not equal to minus 4. This option is also incorrect. And adding option A, so 0 minus 3 minus 1, so it is equals to minus 4, means it is equal to the trace of the matrix. Okay, so this tells you that this is the answer. So option A is the correct answer. So how I solve this problem? We know trace of a given matrix will be equal to the sum of diagonal element, and that will be equal to the sum of eigenvalues. So this property I used here. Okay, so this is how I solve this problem model 1. Now taking up the problem model 2. So problem model 2, and question for the problem model is for matrix P. The given matrix are 3 minus 2 2 and 0 minus 2 1 and 0 0 1. So this is the given matrix. So one of the eigenvalue is minus 2. It is given. Which of the following is eigenvector? So it is asking which of the following is eigenvector. Which of the following is eigenvectors? So given options are option A 3 minus 2 1, option B is minus 3 2 minus 1, option C is 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 3. Option D is 2 5 0. These are the given options. You now in the problem, eigenvector is given, and sorry, eigenvalue is given, and it is asking about the eigenvector. So I will use this property. Solution, we all know, for to get the uh, characteristic equation, we need, we all know this equation: a minus lambda I into x is equals to 0. We all know this equation. So from this we will get, ax is equals to lambda I or lambda x. Okay, we all know this equation: ax is equals to lambda x. So in the given problem, lambda value is given, so lambda value is minus 2 is given, and given matrix is also there. So P is the given matrix. Just write down the given matrix: 3 minus 2 2 0 minus 2 1 0 0 1. This is the given matrix. So just write down ax is equals to lambda x. So just write the matrix A matrix, or it is equals to P matrix. So both are equal. So just write down the given matrix. This is the given matrix. Now let x be empty, and just write down the lambda value. According to the problem, it is minus 2, and just remain x place as empty. Now I will solve it by substituting the substituting these substituting these options here. In this place I will substitute, and whatever whatever x x vector satisfies the LHS equals to RHS, then that will be the answer. So what I will do, I will take, suppose I will take option A. So this option I will substitute here: 3 minus 2 1, 3 minus 2 1. Now solve. What you get? So after solving, you will get first row, first element, so it is 9. Then this element into this element, it is plus 4. Then this element into this element, it is 2. So you are getting here. Now for this element, for this row, second row, this element into this element, that is equals to 0. This element into this element, that is equals to 4. This element into this element, it is equals to 1. Okay, now for the third row, this element into this element, 0. This element into this element, it is again 0. Then 1 into this one, so this is 1, and that is equals to, just multiply minus 2 inside this given matrix, so it will be minus 6, it will be plus 4, and it will be minus 2. Is it equal? So solve it. It is 15, it is 5, it is 1, and minus 6 plus 4 minus 2, which is not equal. So option A is not satisfying the LHS equal. For this given equation, LHS is not equal to RHS. Now I will take, suppose I will take this option D. So just substitute the option D. So again, AX is equals to lambda x. I am substituting. So A matrix is given as 3 minus 2 2 0 minus 2 1 0 0 1, and the given matrix I am taking is x vector as 2 5 0, and my lambda value is minus 2 2 5. This is the given matrix X. So this is X, this is X. Okay, now just solve it. This element into this element, this is 6. This element into this element, it is 10. This element into this element, this is 0. Now this element into this element, that is 0. This element into this element, that is minus 10. This element into this element, that is 0. This element into this element, that is equals to 0. Then 5 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0. Now it is just inside multiply with minus 2, it is minus 4, it is minus 10 0. Okay, now solve. It is coming minus 4, it is coming minus 10, and it is coming 0. So this given vector x is satisfying the equation. satisfying the given equation ax is equals to lambda x. For this given option D, it is satisfying this given option, so the given equation. So option D is the correct answer. This is the problem model 2. Okay, this is how we will solve the problem model 2. Now another example of problem model 2 I will take. Another one example problem. Suppose one question from problem model 2. If given matrix is 1 0 minus 1 trace is an eigenvector. This is the eigenvector. Eigenvector is given of the matrix This matrix is given 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 2 minus 1 0 minus 1 1. Okay, now the corresponding, in the problem it is asking corresponding eigenvalue. It is asking eigenvalue. Now it is eigenvalue. So option A is 1, option B is 2, option C is 3, and option D is 5. Now in the problem eigenvector is given and it is asking eigenvalue. So I will again use the similar form equation Ax is equals to lambda x I will use. So just write down the given matrix. 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 2 minus 1 0 minus 1 1, and just write the given vector is given. So this is the given vector. See, this is the 1 0 minus 1 transpose. This is the given vector. So I will transpose means you just convert row into the column. You just convert row into the column. This means this implies the transpose. So just write it into column form. So this will be equal to this. So this is the means of the transpose. Okay. Now I will solve. I've got the given vector. So just write it into Ax into lambda x form. So given vector, given matrix is 1 minus 1 0 and minus 1 2 minus 1 and 0 minus 1 1, and given vector is 1 0 minus 1, and lambda value is asking, and the given vector x is 1 0 minus 1. So just solve this problem. So this row into this column, so it is 1 0 0. Okay, now this row into this column means it is minus 1 plus 0 and plus 1. Third row, first column, so it is 0 0 minus 1 and equal to lambda 1 0 minus 1. So just solve. This is 1, this is 0, this is minus 1, equal to lambda 1 0 minus 1. So for which value, how this equation, these two equation LHS will be equal to RHS. For lambda is equals to, if you substitute lambda is equals to 1, then only you will this LHS will be equal to RHS. So for the lambda value 1, you will get the LHS equals to RHS. So the option is A. Option A is the correct. Option A is correct for the given problem. Okay. Now moving to the problem model 3. Now moving to the problem model 3. So just write down the given problem model. If eigenvalues and eigenvectors are given, then find the matrix A. If eigenvalues and eigenvector are given, then find the matrix A. Then find the matrix A. So given eigenvalues are, this is the given eigenvalue, lambda 1 is equals to 8, lambda 2 is equals to 4, and eigenvectors are 1 1 and 1 minus 1. These are the eigenvector. Then the matrix is dash. The option A is 6 2 2 6, option B is 4 6 6 4, option C is 2 4 4 2 2 4 2 4 4 2, and option D is 4 8 8 4. So this is the problem. Eigenvalues is given, eigenvector is given. You just need to find the given matrix. So how I will solve? We all know the property of the eigenvalues and eigenvector. So we know that the sum of trace of A will be equal to sum of diagonal element, and it will be equal to the sum of eigenvalues. So it is sum of eigenvalues which is equals to sum of diagonal element. Okay, so just write down the sum. Trace will be equal to sum of eigenvalues. So eigenvalues is given in the problem. Eigenvalues 2, 8 and 4. These are two eigenvalues. 8 plus 4 is equals to 12. So this is the trace A. Now we all know the x is equals to lambda x. We all know this equation. So suppose in the problem it is asking the matrix. So suppose the matrix A is A, B, C, D. These are the elements. Suppose consider these are the elements of the given matrix A. So just it will satisfy the Ax is equals to lambda x. So just substitute A, B, C, D. X is the given vector. Vector is given in the problem. So I am considering this given vector. So I just substitute the given vector 1 1 and lambda value for this given vector lambda value is 8. So just substitute 8, just substitute 8 and x is again 1 1. So just solve this, you will get one equation. So after solving this you will get one equation. You will get the equation a plus d is equals to 8 and c plus d is equals to 8. You will get this two equation. Now again you put x is equals to lambda x for the another lambda value and other eigenvector. So this a matrix is a b c d, and the given vector I am considering this vector I am considering. So and corresponding to this vector, this is the lambda value. Just substitute all these values here. So 1 minus 1 is equals to lambda value is how much? 4. Corresponding to lambda value 4, the eigenvector is 1 minus 1. So solve this equation. You will get a minus d is equals to 4 and c minus d is equals to minus 4. This another two equation you will get, and you solving these four equation, solving these four equations, you will get a b c d values. So you will get a is equals to 6, b is equals to 2, c is equals to 2, d is equals to 6. So just substitute the a b c d value, you will get the matrix A. So a b c d. So just substitute a b c d value. A value is 6, b value is 2, c value is 2, d value is 6. This is how you are getting the matrix A. So the answer for the given matrix is how much? 6 to 2 6, 6 to 2 6, 6 to 2 6. The option A is the correct answer. This is the problem model 3. This is the problem model 3. Okay, this is the problem model 3. Now the last problem model we will see problem model 4. Last problem model we will see problem model 4 we will see. So problem model 4 tells you in the given problem, in the problems related to Cayley-Hamilton theorem. It is related to Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Okay, the given problem is if matrix A, this is the given matrix. Suppose the element of the given matrix is 2 0 0 1 2 0 0 1 0 minus 2 0 minus 2 0 minus 1 0 0 2i 0 0 2i I, then 0 0 0 minus 2i, and it is asking a to the power 4 is equals to how much, and the given option are I, identity matrix I, 4i, option C is 16i, option D is 64i. So this is the given matrix. So according I will solve for it is related to the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So this is clearly so we all know the eigenvalues of the given matrix will be the diagonal elements only. So eigenvalues of the given matrix will be the diagonal elements. So diagonal elements are 2 minus 2, 2i minus 2i. So these are the eigenvalues. These are the eigenvalues. From these eigenvalues we can write the characteristic equation. So I am just writing characteristic characteristic equations. So you will get the characteristic equation is equals to lambda. You will this is how you will get lambda minus 2, lambda plus 2, lambda minus 2i, lambda plus 2i will be equal to 0. This is how you will get the characteristic equation. After solving this equation, you will get lambda 4 minus 16 is equals to 0. So this is the characteristic equation. We know from Cayley-Hamilton theorem, given matrix, given square matrix will satisfy its own characteristic equation. So given matrix will satisfy its own characteristic equation. So by Cayley-Hamilton theorem, we can write a to the power 4 minus 16i minus 16i. According to Cayley-Hamilton theorem, it will satisfy its own characteristic equation. A matrix will satisfy its own characteristic equation. So by the Cayley-Hamilton theorem, we just wrote this equation from this equation. So you will get a to the power 4 is equals to 16i. So options in the problem, it is asking a to the power 4 value. So option C is the correct answer. So this is the problem related to four models. Now in the next lecture series, we will solve more number of problems related to these models. Okay, till then, thank you, goodbye. We will meet in the next video.